So you see, we have a lot of things done so far, and a new feature that we have embedded in ColorAnt is, for example, I don't remember anymore what I did at the beginning. And with the Save History log, we can save all this kind of information into a readable PDF document and open directly. And all the steps, all the things I've done are now recorded. So I've loaded some measurement data, I did some layout changes. It tells me which settings I used, my custom chart information that I've did, the export chart tool, it tells me which kind of settings I used, the color editor, the patches that we've optimized, it will show us the original values and the optimized values, which method I used, and so on. So all this kind of information are stored and are available for later review. Very helpful for documentation purposes. There's as well another feature which we added here, because for each of the tools in the history that we are listing here, you can double click and then we'll open a task log showing just what we've did to that specific task. In this example, I've embedded my spot colors into my document, in my PDF document. So the PDF file name is listed, the file name that I've edited is listed, and it tells me as well which kind of spot colors I've embedded, and even it tells me which compatibility mode I've used. So I've just embedded the spot color for the full tone, the spectral full tone, which is a CXF X4B. And this is noted all in that document. So very, very helpful.